How to use only AI to build a Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use only AI to build your Wix website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be pretty much very simple. We're going to head over create new site. Once we clicked on that, it is going to let you see two choices. Either you're going to use Wix Studio or create on Wix Editor. In this video, we're going only to use the standard Wix Editor. Click on create on that. Now it is going to show you the little stars or cosmic stars of AI. That means that it is going to use AI to chat with it or set it up without AI. Only with AI means that we're going to start from A to Z with the AI. So we're going to choose to chat with the AI. Click on that. And then we're going to give it a description or answer the questions that it will give us. What is the site about? It is about, let's say, selling phones. Then it is going to set up other questions. You're going to wait and you're going to respond for them. So what is the business name? We're going to make GK Mobile. After that, we're going to wait for the next section. So each time that you're going to answer a question, it is going to build up something in the background. You're going to start to see the site profile of your website. You're going to also have a description. So mobile phone. Now we're going to continue. So basically, do you have any additional goals? You're going to let's say answer only the interesting question for you, or you can go ahead, skip questions, help you answer the questions, and end chat and continue. In my case, I will be satisfying myself to end the chat because we're not going to be about that details, because it is going to be appropriate to you only to set up the details of the website. And here you go. Now the dashboard is created. We're going to click on design site. Before setting up anything else, click on generate design with AI, of course, not with a template. Wait for it until it is going to load up everything. Now it is going to start chatting with itself, and it is going to be setting up the website. So once the brief is ready, it is going to start setting up everything. Remember that you can modify any of the sections, pages, or layout that you have into your website after you have clicked on one of the items that have been, let's say, affected with bold. So for example, site profile, site structure, site description, theme, layout. These are going to be things that you can go ahead and modify after the website have been set. So this is our final product. As you can see, it is going to be cool. So it is simple. Let's say something that we can manage. Here we have site profile, site structure. You can click on one of them, set up either a prompt or select what can you do that. And here you go. For the themes, you can go and set up a prompt. Layout, also set up a prompt. You can regenerate the design or tweak it. Then you're going to continue with this design if you accept, and click on continue to the editor if you do not have a domain to connect it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Now it is going to prepare the website, add whatever that you need for your business to rise, like stores, management of the plans, for example, if you have subscriptions, blogs if needed, and etc. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.